For 2025, Toyota introduces the Crown Signia crossover SUV, which is based on the Toyota Crown sedan first introduced in the US in 2023. And today you join us at Road America for the 2024 Midwest Automotive Media Association Spring Rally to give you our first impressions of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Does the Signia retain the familiar premium features as the Crown sedan in its quest for SUV versatility? We're going to take a look at that and give you our initial impressions. I'm George Torline with Randy Stern, and this is Victory in Reseda. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is based on the Toyota New Global Architecture K, which is the same platform as the Crown sedan. Looking at the exterior, the Crown Signia retains the handsome styling as the sedan in the front and center sections. In place of the sloping roofline down to the rear trunk, the roof continues towards the rear of the vehicle to accommodate the added rear cargo area, which then slopes down to its powered rear liftgate. The larger roof area can be outfitted with cargo racks to add to the Crown Signia's versatility. And because the Signia is not a tall SUV, reaching the roof is a lot easier. At the rear of the vehicle, when you open the liftgate, you will notice how large the opening is for the size of the vehicle. The base of the liftgate is the same height as the cargo floor, meaning no liftover is required when loading items in the cargo area. A retractable tonneau cover can be pulled over the cargo area when desired, which can also be removed. The 60-40 split rear seats can be folded down flat to provide a continuous cargo floor that is 6.5 feet in length. This also creates a cargo space larger than what is found in the Toyota Venza. Everything forward from the rear seats in the Crown Signia is the same as the Crown sedan. Under the hood is the same 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors producing 243 horsepower. It is paired with Toyota's e-CVT, which is not a belt-driven CVT, but rather uses mechanical gearing. Power can be sent to the rear wheels via an electric motor to help with extra traction when needed. In our initial short test drive with the Crown Signia, we found it to have similar driving characteristics as the Crown sedan. The ride quality and powertrain were smooth. However, we look forward to testing a production unit for a full evaluation. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is estimated to be between $45,000 and $52,000. However, please check Toyota.com for final pricing. Be sure to subscribe to catch our future videos, and check out our online content at victoryandreseda.net. Thank you for watching.